Good morning dear student. Today I go to explain 12th Accountancy Unit 5 Exercise 23. Shyam and Jose are partner in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2 on 1st April 2018. They admit Joel as a partner on the date of Joel admission. Goodwill in the books of the firm 30,000 by using fluctuating capital method. Pass the necessary journal entries if the partners decide to. Okay, this two situation only give for journal entries. Okay, so 30,000 is the entire amount. The first question is write off the entire amount of existing goodwill. So entire amount is 30,000. This 30,000 is divided to old partner in old ratio. Okay, this is the journal entry, student. So journal entry is Shyam's capital account data to Joe's capital account to goodwill account. Totally 30,000. No. So 30,000 into 3 divided by 5 is the Sam's capital. So totally 18,000. And 30,000 into 2 divided by 5 equal to 12,000. 12,000 is the Joe's capital. So totally it is goes to 30,000 is the goodwill amount. Okay, so in the second situation is the write off 20,000 of the existing goodwill. So 20,000 existing goodwill irukum situation la. So how to share with the partner in old ratio? That means Sam's capital account, the same entry, Shyam's capital account data to Joe's capital account. Okay, so the amount is 20,000. So 20,000 into 3 divided by 5 equal to 12,000. The 20,000 into 2 divided by 5 equal to 8,000. So totally 20,000 is the posted for goodwill amount. Okay, this is the solution, student. Next I go to explain next exercise number 24. This is the difference from previous exercise sum. You listen, and the two partners is here, Rajan and Selva. So sharing profit in the losses in the ratio of 3:1. Their balance sheet as on. This is the balance sheet. So partners capital account, general reserves, creditors and building furniture etc. is given. The adjustment also given this. On 1/4/2017 they admit Ganesan as a new partner and the following arrangement. Okay, so Ganesan brings 10,000 as capital. Okay, so the Ganesan is the new partner. Here share is 1/5 share of profit. Okay, stock and furniture is to be reduced by 10%. So this is the reduced value of asset. The asset value is reduced. A reserves of 5% on debtors for doubtful debts is to be created. Okay, next one is appreciated building by 20%. So the building amount is increased, but stock and furniture amount is reduced. Prepare revaluation accounts, partners capital account and the balance sheet of the firm admissions. Okay, so first of all you go to calculate revaluation account. So in the revaluation account format is book page number 142 is given for revaluation account format. Okay, which account is which asset is increased, it is debited, which account asset is reduced, that account is debited. Okay, அதாவது increasing value, all increasing value வந்து credit சைடும், all decreasing value debit சைடும் enter பண்ணணும். Omit this opening capital for new partner. Then you go to take for stock and furniture, its value is reduced and doubtful debts value is also reduced. You calculate this value. First of all you go to stock. Okay, stock value is 10% decreased. So totally stock வந்து 20,000. How much percentage for 10? Okay, 2,000 is the 10% of stock amount. So you open the revaluation account and post them to debit side of this reduced asset to stock account 2,000. Then the furniture amount is totally 1,000. It is 10% 100. Okay, so next debtors is decreased value. So doubtful debt is calculated to debtors amount. The debtors amount is 16,000. Okay, so the percentage of doubtful debt is 5% on debtors for doubtful debts. So you calculate 16,000 into 5 divided by 100 equal to 800. So 800 இங்க போட்டிருக்கோம். next வந்து appreciation value for building, appreciated building by 20%. So 20% means building value 25,000. So 25,000 into 25 divided by 100, sorry 20 divided by 100 equal to 5,000. Okay, well, this is the revaluation account, student. So which amount is highest amount? This side is 5,000, but this side is 2,900. So you less 5,000 minus 2,900 equal to 2,100. This 2,000 is share to old partner in old ratio. Old partner oda old ratio la இந்த 2,100 share பண்ணி கொடுக்கணும். outer காலத்தில் 2,100 போட்டுட்டு inner காலத்தில் ராஜன் 3/4 and செல்வா 1/4 because this ratio is 3:1. ஓகேவா, this is the revaluation account balance. This balance is goes to capital account. So capital account is open. First of all you post them balancing figure, அதாவது opening balance of 3 partner. Capital accounts means particular and 2 old partner and new partner. Okay, so the amount is old partner is given for capital amount 30,000 and 16,000. So credit side of this amount by balance carry down 30,000 and 16,000. Okay, so next, so general reserves goes to credit side of the capital account and profit and loss account goes to debit side of the capital account. Okay, so general reserve is 4,000. This 4,000 is divided into old partner only. So 4,000 into 3 divided by 4 equal to 3,000. Okay, so 1%. 4,000 into 1 divided by 4 equal to 1,000 for Selva. Ranjan is 3,000. So posted this two amount. Okay, next you go to revaluation balance. So revaluation account la balancing figure வந்து இங்கே 2,000 நம்ம ஷேர் பண்ணி கொடுத்துருக்கோம் இல்லையா, இந்த பேலன்ஸை அப்படியே இங்கே கேபிட்டல் அக்கௌண்ட்டுக்கு ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் பண்ணுறோம். லாஸ்ட் ஒன் என்ட்ரிஸ் பை பேங்க் அக்கௌண்ட். திஸ் பேங்க் அக்கௌண்ட் ஒன்லி கிவன் ஃபார் நியூ பார்ட்னர். தட் மீன்ஸ் நியூ பார்ட்னர் கொண்டுட்டு வந்த ஓப்பனிங் கேபிட்டல். திஸ் இஸ் த new partner capital account. So this amount goes to credit side of this capital account by bank account 10,000. Okay, so next profit only given this balance sheet. Profit and loss account is 10,000. This account is goes to old partner capital account. So to profit and losses account, that 10,000 into 3 divided by 4 equal to 7,500. 10,000 into 1 divided by 4 equal to 2,500. Okay, so totally 10,000. So balance this amount debit side and credit side. So first of all you calculate Ranjan total amount for debit and credit. So which side is highest total? Credit side is highest total 34,575. So you post this two side Ranjan debit and credit column write பண்ணிட்டு. So this balance less this balance equal to this balance. Okay, so 34,575 minus 7,500 equal to 27,075 rupees. Okay, so then you go to Selvam. So Selvam debit and credit side. The credit side amount is highest amount. So less this amount and this amount and balancing figure. Then Ganesan is also credit side is the highest total. So you post two side, then you balance side. Debit side is the balance 10,000. Okay, do you understand this? Next I go to balance sheet as on 1st April 2018. Liability and assets. This goes to compared with the table column for this. First of all capital account. So capital account means balancing amount is entered this liability side. The balancing amount is, you see this, work out the capital account. Where is the capital account? This is the capital account. The balancing capital is 27,075 for Ranjan, 15,025 for Selvan, Ganesan வந்து 10,000. Okay, so this three amount post to a liability side of the capital account and totalize this amount. Okay, so next general reserves is not here and creditors is taken. So creditors amount is 37,500 also posted. Okay, the liability is finished and the asset is building amount is 25,000. So building valuation is appreciated for 20%. No, so 20% how much rupees? 5000 is the appreciated value. So you add this amount, building account plus appreciation furniture 5000, so total 30,000. Next, furniture value is 10,000 for balance sheet, but and the depreciation is given 10%, so also less 100. 10,000 minus 100 equal to 900. Next, stock 20,000 less depreciation 2,000. Okay, the amount is 18,000. Next, debtors is also the decreasing value, so less this amount 16,000 minus 800 equal to 15,200. Okay, so next one is cash at bank. Cash at bank is here 12,500, so post this amount 12,500. Next, lastly you ordered Ganesh and capital for credit side of the amount. You know down student, the Ganesh and capital வந்து both liabilities and asset ரெண்டு சைடுமே வரும். ஸோ கணேசன் கேபிட்டலை இங்கேயும் நம்ம கொண்டுட்டு வரணும் 10,000. ஸோ இந்த கேஷ் அட் பேங்க் 12,500 இருக்கு இல்லைங்களா, அந்த அமௌண்ட்டோட கணேசன் கொண்டு வந்த கேபிட்டலே ஆட் பண்ணி டோட்டலாக 22,500 இங்கே போஸ்ட் பண்ணுறோம். ஓகே, லாஸ்ட்லி பில்ஸ் ரிசீவபிள் அக்கௌண்ட். பில்ஸ் ரிசீவபிள் அமௌண்ட் 3,000. ஸோ திஸ் 3,000 is goes to asset side. Okay, bills payable only goes to liability, bills receivable goes to asset side. Okay, so totalize both liabilities and asset. The balance sheet amount to give for equal in both side. அதாவது asset and liability ரெண்டு சைடுமே பேலன்ஸ் ஷீட்டில் அமௌண்ட் வந்து ஈக்குவலாக தான் வரும். ஈக்குவலாக வந்தால் மட்டும்தான் நம்ம ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ண ப்ராப்ளம் இஸ் கரெக்ட். ஓகே, இஃப் எனி டவுட் ப்ளீஸ் கால் மீ. தேங்க்யூ.